Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhammad Akmal Nizam bin Abu Bakar. Matrix nama B02010083 is going to present the introduction of our material assignment. So, for the introduction, we all know that every object in existence is made of various materials such as polymer, steel, and composite. Each of these materials have their own properties, and these properties such as tensile strength, conductivity, elasticity is used in an appropriate manner in the making of the product. And the objective of the experiment, we are going to find out different types of material in household items, and also study the different properties of materials in a household item, and also how it is used to serve a different purpose.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Izzul Islam bin Muhammad Jahid. My matric number is B0920102236. Today I will be conducting a thermal conductivity experiment using three types of material, that is rubber, ceramic and metal. In this experiment I will heat up these three material using a candle and taking their temperature using a temperature checker. In this experiment, first I will set up my materials, and then I will take the first temperature of each material, that is the initial temperature. Next I will heat up these three material using the candle for 10 seconds. After heating up the material, I will let this material cool down for 2 minutes before taking the final temperature. Now I will proceed with the experiment. The results that I have gained from this experiment is shown in this table. For the initial temperature of metal is 34.9 and the final temperature is 42.2 degrees Celsius. For ceramic it's 34.8 and final 42.1, and for rubber initial 34.3 and final is 41.6. That is the result for this thermal conductivity experiment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syami bin Muhammad Sabudin. I from section S1 Petu. I want to read experiment. So this is a pen marker, and I use the tire to overlap, and this is a pen marker to overlap, and I use the tire to use the overlap is a pen marker. Okay, this result pen marker to overlap is a pen marker, and the pen marker is
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Izzat Damiri bin Ahmad Rashidi from BMMA Section 1/2. So for engineering material assignment, we are required to choose 3 different items from our home and run an experiment to differentiate the items. So the item I choose from my home is a screw, an empty perfume bottles, and also a PVC pipe. For the properties that I am experimenting today is about electric conductivity. So I will construct a simple circuit using a battery and a motor as a indicator if the material can conduct electricity or not. So let's go to the experiment. Okay, here I already constructed a simple circuit. This grey wire run from negative terminal from the battery, and the blue wire run from positive terminal from the battery. If we complete the circuit, connect this wire together, we can see the motor is functioning well. And for the item that I will test out the electric conductivity today is this screw. So for the screw, I will put this wire here at the end, and the other wire I will put it at this other end. So we can see the motor is functioning well when we connect the screw through these 2 wires. So this means that this screw is an electric conductivity item. The experiment will continue with these perfume bottles and the PVC pipe afterward.
Okay, lepas.
Assalamualaikum. So back with me again for the discussion. So we can conclude from the experiment that metal is a good heat conductor, is hard, good electrical conductor, high strength and can withstand high forces. As for ceramic, it is a good heat insulator, is hard, good electrical insulator, and also it is brittle. For polymer, it is a good heat insulator, it is soft but it depends on the application. It is good electrical insulator, and also is medium strength compared to metal. For conclusion, we can conclude that different materials is used to provide different characteristics of the product. These materials make the product can put itself perfectly as intended in the design. Okay, that's all for me.